Hey guys, what's up? It's Daniel. Today, I'm going to be doing a review of a titanium header that I got for my Duke 390. Alright guys, so I have just recently bought a titanium header for my KTM Duke 390. The reason I bought this is more for aesthetics than anything else. Performance wasn't really an issue, as changing from stainless steel to titanium for a single header for a single cylinder bike wouldn't really change much for the performance. Weight would be another valid reason. The bike's already pretty light, and you know, from stainless steel to titanium, I'm only going to lose I think 40 grams or so. I'll put both headers side by side so you can see the color difference, maybe any size differences, and then of course at the end I'll do a sound review, see if it changes the sound at all, and I'll show you how it looks at the end. I think it'll look pretty cool. So let's see what we've got. I just got this probably 3 minutes ago. I've been waiting about, I'd say, 2.5 weeks. I bought it on AliExpress. The header was $50. I will put a link in the description for anyone who would like to buy this header. So I haven't opened it yet, I haven't seen anything. This came from Guangzhou, China. Pretty light actually, kind of concerningly light. Let's open it and see how it is. Nothing else in the box. Alright, see, packaged pretty poorly, I have to be honest. Can't complain too much. So, here it is. Well, here it is. I didn't know it was gonna come already blued. It's actually really light. It is really light. I can't really tell if this is 100% titanium because on the S1000 XR, it has the full Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. The headers have a different sort of material look. Perhaps it's when it's warm already, but it has been blued already. Hopefully whenever the bike does get warm and when it's on and the bike gets warm, this will go blue because I would like for it to be consistent. So I'll measure how much this weighs and how much the stock header weighs, and I'll compare and I'll show you any weight differences if there are any. The only thing left is to install it and see what it sounds and looks like. Okay, so here we have the two headers. This is the stock one. You can probably tell it's really heavy. Like, just feeling it by hand, this is extremely light. I can like throw it around with like one hand. This one I can, but it's a little heavier. A few differences that I did notice. This plate right here to connect the header is a lot thicker than this one on the titanium one, and a lot heavier. Perhaps this is titanium as well. Could be for weight savings, it's a little thinner. We won't be needing that. Another thing is at the end where it connects to the cat on the titanium one, this little, I'm not sure what to call it, ridge I guess, is a lot longer than the one on the stock one. So I am hoping that this does fit. Other than that, they're really identical. This has a weld on the titanium one right here. The stock one is, well in my opinion, a lot uglier. It's brown and dirty, and that's why I wanted to change it. I think this nice color, the blue, will contrast very nicely against the orange frame on my bike. This does feel very well built. It feels nice and substantial, and the welds, they're not bad. They look pretty nice. This one's just heavy. This really could save me a lot of weight. I will weigh them now and I'll tell you all the results. Okay guys, so I just got back from weighing them and I weighed this stock header and it weighed about 85 grams. So that's not too bad, it's not too heavy, 85 grams. However, the titanium one weighed only 40 grams. It's a 45 gram difference. I won't feel it, most likely, but it's there. The difference is there and it will do something. I am actually very pleased in this. I'm very pleased that this has saved me so much weight over this. Not only does it look better, it's lighter, and who knows if it sounds better, who knows? It is a single cylinder bike, I do understand that, yet maybe the titanium alloy will give it a much more exotic sound or a much more metallic sound. I'm not sure, and I really can't wait to hear, so let's go install it. Oh my, that is pretty blue. You have to admit, that looks really, really cool. I am severely debating changing the catalytic converter. That would be nice and blue. It will go to titanium soon. However, it would be a crying shame if I had to change that chamber delete, as it was $150 and its competition works. It will look much like that. I will will most certainly change that catalytic converter to titanium. Perhaps I'll buy that one pipe that goes all the way across, that replaces both the catalytic converter and the downpipe. Food for thought, isn't it? I hope y'all enjoyed the review. I'll give y'all an update on the header very shortly, and there's lots more coming in the future. Be sure to stay tuned. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care.